Thanks for purchasing your new dog training system, PET998D. I'm now going to show you what's inside the box when you receive it. Here's your remote transmitter. Inside of the remote transmitter is a test light to test the static function. Your two nylon straps, that's to go around your receivers. You receive two of them. Here's one. And then remember, when you first receive them, the batteries are already inside. They may be wrapped in plastic as well, so just make sure you take that plastic off. Otherwise, obviously, the units won't work. And lastly, a product manual. And contact points. One set for each receiver. When using a training collar, always remember to use it for training and not to leave it constantly on the dog, as these contact points on the receiver can cause injuries like bed sores, or we refer to it as pressure narcosis. So always remember to not use the training collar continuously like a normal dog collar, but just for training. I'm now going to show you how to pair your receivers to your remote transmitter and then some basic functions. So to start, when you get the unit, you will have to take out the batteries. There is a plastic tab there that covers it, so without removing that, obviously, it won't work. So just take them out quickly, and then I'm just going to place them back in. Once you've done that, your transmitter should power on. Put the cover back on. A bit difficult, but I got it. As you can see, the transmitter is now on. It's lit up. So for the receivers, it's a bit more easy to get out the batteries. The battery is already in here for one. As you can see, it's unwrapped, but the second one is wrapped. The first one would be as well, but just for this example, it isn't. So you have to take the plastic wrapping off, obviously, to make sure you get the connection. Place them back in. Make sure you do it correctly, otherwise it won't work. As you can see, it beeps. And once you hear that beep, you need to press the Y button within 10 seconds. And then you'll get another beep letting you know that it's paired. And I've paired it to channel 1. So the first one's paired. Put the cover back on. And then get the batteries for the second one, which I have here. They're already unwrapped. Once the cover's off, it'll be a bit difficult. You got to put the batteries back in. For the second one here. It'll beep. Once you hear that, I'm already on channel 2. You just press it again and it beeps at you. So I'm now going to show you the functions really quick once I get these covers back on. Whenever that will be. There you go. And then there's the first one. So I'll show you the vibration function first. I just go to 100 just for an example. I'm on number 2. As you can see, the second receiver vibrates. And then the first one. And the first receiver vibrates. I'll now show you the static function for both. When I'm switching between functions, I'm pressing the mode button, and when I'm switching between, each different receiver, you're pressing the 1, 2. I'm going to switch to 100 just to make sure you can see the light. Press the Y button. As you can see, it glows orange very brightly at 100. Switch to the second receiver. Go to 100 with the dial on the side here. Press the Y button, and it glows orange again. Now I'm going to show you the beep function. This is the light function on the side. As you see when I'm pressing the Y button, it's glowing red. And then switch to the first receiver, do the same thing. You can see the light on the side. This is the beep function. I'll show you for both. And then the last function of this transmitter is the light at the top, and you do this by pressing this flashlight button above the mode button. And you would use this for like locating your dog, or if you drop your keys or something like that.